Hi, this is Warren Jarrett. Welcome to another Hard Fun Club. Quite amazing. We have a lot of great shows. It's amazing. Last week's show was amazing, but amazing. And I know that we're going to have a great show today. Mark, have you ever discussed our date this afternoon? Well, actually, I have discussed our date this afternoon. Alright, I was red, color, action, amazing. I think it went green, color Emmy. Emmy? And I'm like, what do I do with you? What? Next night, here's our first skit. Patrol guy, what is this guy? I arrested this guy for bringing ABD. He could get 20 years for this with ABD. Making funny noises in public. Make that 25 years. Alright, okay, you're on the right to remain silent. I don't think I understand. Let me try. You're on the right to remain stupid. Lock him up, patrol guy. Alright. Wait, there's another guy. I told you to lock him up. My dead eye. On the briefcase. Must be a lawyer. What's he saying? I know. Lawyer says lawyer talk. Lock him up. Alright, get in there. Wait, they've escaped. Wait, must be barrels. Alright, what? This is serious business. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good for them escape. That's why I'm called Sergeant. Okay, let's be alright. Time for your solo. What have you discussed music? You expect me to play this? What are you doing with that? Find a match and put him out misery. Trust me, it's a good music number. Whoever refused to play it. What if I get a new saxophone player? What if you don't just get ready to do it, do this little ditty? Good thought. Forgive me, Charlie Parker, wherever you are. And I am the very model of a modern major general. Information mentioned double animal London rule. I know the kids to be on a cargo. There's want to a cargo. I very taste no authority would do with law views. Very sure if I this for high above this. Make sure if I this for high above. For high above. For high above. I'm very sure. License. Being a regular. Vegetable. Animal and mineral, he is very well of a moderating general. Animal and mineral, he is very well of a moderating general. Rambling, that's a very tight month away from a gentleman. More worrying, commissarian. Ellery, George Stradlin. Being of the century, I'm a woman roll, I'm very well, I'm already general. I'm very well, I'm already general. Dun 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 conga, 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 dun 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 conga. Well, that was a great show today. It was really amazing, really amazing, and really amazing. It was amazing. And now I feel a song really coming on. I know very well over moderated general information, visual, and roll. Not that song. Half of me wants to be great and strong. Half of me wants to be whole. Oh Lord, I've had a mess of troubles. Half of me wants to be good. Only half of me wants to be good. Well, it was a great song on the Magic Amazing. And work, I have a great idea for another show. It's really amazing. And too late, the show's over. Too late. It's really amazing. That's great. We'll see you next time. Another Harry Potter Fun Club.